day 2 for us. We are on our way to Animal Kingdom today. Lauren is fully dressed up and ready for the occasion. Got our and rose gold tip to toe. So we're just walking to the bus at the moment. And we're just going to take today as it comes. We're going to get breakfast over at Animal Kingdom too. It's currently 9:30. No, it's 9 o'clock. It's currently 9 o'clock in the morning. We've both been awake since about 5. I think Lauren was a little bit earlier than that. But yeah, it's all good. It's all good. We're feeling fresh today. Ready to see what Animal Kingdom brings. We do have a fast pass at 9 o'clock for... at 10 o'clock, sorry. Oh no. 9 o'clock. 9 till 10 for Expedition Everest. So good way to kick off the day. Then we'll get some breakfast. Weekend queues. It is Friday. Anyway, we are here, Animal Kingdom. Got through security pretty quickly. Just gonna head through and head straight up to Expedition Everest. Exciting! Yeah. We love a bit of Animal Kingdom. This has to go down as the prettiest theme park in the world. We were just saying as we were walking through as well. We always feel like we never spend enough time here. It's just like so much kinetic energy and stuff going on all the time, everywhere you go. It's amazing. So we've arrived at Fast Pass number 1. I have tried to persuade Lauren to come on it with me all the way around, but as you probably would expect, I've been completely unsuccessful in that. So it's just going to be me solo riding. There she is, been waiting on me. It only took 10 minutes.
Yeah,
it's great. Such a good ride. Like, best ever. So good. Definitely going on that again before we leave. So it's breakfast time. We've just gone for a wee quick serve. I've got a wee English muffin with some hash brown bites, but Lauren's looks really nice. It's got like a what is it called? And it's got eggs, cheese, peppers, onions. It looks really, really good. I probably should have had that. But we're also dining with, I don't know if you can see them, there's like ducks cutting about everywhere, and the random birds. It's amazing. So we've just got our seat for Festival of the Lion King, which we've seen before, but we haven't seen it for a couple of years now, so super excited. We're in the warthog section. Lauren, what do the warthogs do? Grunt. But yeah.
Greetings everyone, a very welcome. We have been expecting you. We are here today to welcome you, one and all, to the Festival of the Lion King.
So we're just out of Festival of the Lion King and like both absolutely gobsmacked with it. We go and see a lot of professional musicals and things like that, and you know, we're really into theatre and all that, but that just it's like a Broadway show. It's just so good, and that's like why no one can ever touch Disney, let's be honest. Like, you know, it's just unreal. And to know that in this park alone there's another show that's as good as that, totally different but as good as that, you know, high standard in Finding Nemo the musical. You know, you're just totally spoiled, absolutely spoiled. It's so good, wasn't it? What do you think?
Really good.
What's your favourite bit?
Circle of Life.
Circle of Life.
Yeah, like that.
I always like the monkeys.
Yeah,
They're so good. But yeah, so amazing. Just blown away by it. So we've come the back road to Pandora, but you know that you're no longer on planet Earth when the lights change. So this is the last set of regular lights, and then all of a sudden, when this bridge ends, we are in Pandora, and you can tell because the lights are totally different. So we're just about to head on to the Navi River boat journey, which is cool. I can't stop taking videos of this, it just looks so smart. And there's the Navi shaman that is in the right. Not that we're doing it today, but it's only 75 minutes wait standby for Firefly Passage. It's the shortest ever seen, that queue. We have a fast pass for later in the holiday, so we're just going to wait till then. So we have decided to leave. It's only 12 o'clock.
So hot.
It's hot, but also we've done a lot this morning.
Yeah.
So we're now going to go back and chill at the pool for a bit. And then yeah, we just have a reservation for dinner here tonight, but we're maybe just going to go elsewhere, I think. So yeah, good day, good morning, productive.
Yeah, I've done a lot. It feels a lot later than I
It does, it does. So we decided to have a little pool afternoon, but we've just come into the marketplace for some lunch, and Lauren's got herself a gluten-free pizza. So it did take a little bit of time for it to be made. I think it was about 10 minutes, but how good does that look? It's massive too. I had a rice bowl, but it's finished, and my very first, can you believe that? 3 days in, 2 days in, whatever it is, my very first Rice Krispie treat. It's delicious. But yeah, lovely, cheesy goodness. So I am just in the gym at Coronado Springs, so I just thought for anyone that's interested, this is what's here. So there's a mixture of things, cross trainers, treadmills, etc. There's a leg press just over here, which is decent. I've just been on that. We've got bikes, kettlebells, whole bunch of stuff. Obviously a lot of free weights just in the corner there too. So yeah, it's not bad. It's not badly equipped. Has most things, but not everything you're probably going to need if you're doing an intense workout, but it's got enough. So yeah, check it out. It's in Casitas area. It's not too far away from anywhere really. So yeah, I'm sure I'll be back before the end of this trip. So we decided tonight we're just going to have a wander around Disney Springs, get some dinner down here, and just see what's going on. We've no plans at all, no reservations. It's Friday night, so it is quite busy. So we'll see. But we are literally going to fall into the magic tonight at Disney Springs. There's Ghirardelli, the chocolate shop. Anybody that watched our vlogs last year will know we spent nearly all of our remaining snack credits in there. Last year we came home with tons of chocolates. All of our friends and family got chocolate. This is Arendelle Blue, and They really are like pushing this as the alternative to rose gold this year. But it is nice. It's really nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
Look at Lauren, Miss Rose Gold. She's a punter. This is what she'll be wearing next year. Guaranteed. This last year, but it wasn't open. We love a bit of tapas. Hoping we can get a table. Pray for us. Table, no bother at all, pretty much walked in. We were told to be an hour's wait, and then they asked us if we would want to sit outside, which we said yes. Look at the view. It's chilled, the restaurant's manic, it's quite noisy. So sitting out here is exactly what we would have picked. There's quite a few options. There's obviously you can just, it's tapas, so you can just pick what you want. But I'm going to go for this magical dining thing. So it's $35 per person and you get to pick sort of one piece of food from each different category plus a dessert. So I think that's what I'm going to go for. And they do gluten-free too. Lauren has a gluten-free menu there.
Yeah.
So once she has decided, we will update. So my croquetas have arrived. Chicken croquetas. Love the presentation. Looks amazing. Sorry, Lozzie. Just have to wait. There's my pimento pepper. I think it's got mushroom and something else in it. I can't remember what it is, but it looks delicious. Lauren's tortilla has arrived. It's all a bit fancy, isn't it?
Nice.
She got to get it well done because we cook it medium and it means it's like runny egg, eh?
Don't
To
want
which
it runny tortilla.
Lauren was not a fan. No. Dig in. And now the patatas bravas have arrived. These are for me. It's all coming out just kind of bit by bit, but it's, you know, it's great. So the mussels have arrived. They look delicious, and I've got a cheeky pork sausage thing on the go. So we're just waiting on our dessert, my dessert, but you can have a bit. But so far, what do you make of the meal?
Yeah, really good. It's good. I feel nice.
You just had tortilla and mussels, but you feel full from that?
Yeah,
Yeah, good. Thumbs up to it?
I do. Yeah, it's really good.
Yeah,
Good fun again.
definitely would.
Yeah.
Good service has been good too.
Yeah, definitely.
My dessert is here. How good does that look? I couldn't even tell you what it is now. It's a flan of some kind, but it looks good. Flanny goodness.